All right, welcome back, class, to your Rubik's Cube project with Mr. Raft. We are now on to step number 3, which is solving the middle layer. Essentially, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be filling in the middle layer correctly with the matching color. Now, in step number 2, you solve the white face. You've got your different colored T's going around the cube. Now, for step number 3, the most important thing to do is to put the solved white face on the down face, which leaves yellow center facing up. Now, step number 3 is going to be the most challenging step of the whole entire project. The reason for is there's going to be 8 moves if you need to move a piece to the right, and there'll be 8 different moves if you need to move a piece to the left. All right, so I'm going to walk you through in this video what to do to solve step number 3, but don't be afraid to rewatch the video, read your instructions, maybe even break down the instructions into smaller chunks to make it easier to memorize. So let's get started. Let's look on the up face for an edge piece that doesn't have yellow. So here's an edge piece on the up face that's made of green and red. Let's move the up face so that green is now over green center. Now you have to ask yourself a question. Is this edge piece going to go to the left or is it going to go to the right? To answer that question, look on top and you see red. This is the red side, this is the orange side. So this piece has to go over here. That means I need to learn my 8 steps when moving an up face edge piece to the left. Here are those 8 moves. Now let's try those moves nice and slowly. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front inverted, up inverted, front. By doing those 8 moves, that edge piece is now in the correct location in the middle layer. Let's look back up on the top. Here's an edge piece. It's blue and orange. Let's put it over the blue center. Is it going to go to the left or to the right? The only way to answer is to look on top. It's orange. This is the orange side. So this piece is going to have to go to the left. So let's do those left moves again. They are up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front inverted, front. All right, that is now in the correct location. Let's look up on the up face. Here's an edge piece. It's orange and it's green. Let's put it over the green. All right, this piece is now going to go to the left again. Let's do those 8 moves. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front inverted, front inverted. Okay, let's look on the up face. Here's an edge piece. It's blue. Let's put it over the blue center. Now, this piece is going to go to the left or to the right. It's red on top. This is the orange. This is the red side. So finally, we have a piece that needs to move to the right. Now, this is where it gets challenging. You need to learn 8 new moves when moving a piece to the right. Here are those 8 moves. Let's try out those moves. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, and front. By doing those 8 moves, we've moved that piece in the correct location. As you can see, I've moved all the edge pieces I need, and I now have my middle layer all solved. Okay? Sometimes when you're solving, all the pieces might have to go to the right. Sometimes some of them go to the left, some of them go to the right. You have to be a master of knowing the directions if I need to move a piece to the left and the other set of 8 directions when I need to move a piece to the right. All right. Now, with a lot of practice, you'll be able to solve the middle layer. But there's always one common problem that happens in step number 3, and I'd like to show you that common problem right now. Okay, so a common problem in step number 3, solving the middle layer, is you look around the up face and all the edge pieces have yellow, which we don't want. That means there must be an edge piece inside the middle layer, but it's not in the correct location. So for example, here's an edge piece, and it's red and blue, but it's between the green and red side. So that tells me this edge piece is in the wrong location. What do I need to do to get it back up to the up face? It's pretty simple. Since it's on the right-hand side, I'm going to do the moves as if I was moving it down to the right-hand side. What that will do is this will take this edge piece, put it back up in the up face. I'll be able to move my up face and reposition it, drop it into the right location. So here's this edge piece. It's on the right-hand side, and I want to move it to the top. So let me do my moves. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. By doing those moves, I've bumped that edge piece right up on the top. Here it is right here. Now I can reset the piece in. Since it's green and red, and this is the red side, I'd have to move it to the left. So really, the biggest problem is, again, if you ever have an edge piece, it's in the middle layer, and you want to get it back up to the top. If it's on the left side, do the moves as if you were dropping the piece down to the left. If the edge piece you need is on the right side, do the moves as if you needed it to move it on the right. Again, those moves will put it back up top, and then you can move the up face around, reset it correctly, and then drop it back in. Again, good luck, practice hard, and that's it. Have fun with it. Adios.